Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. So, are you the type of person that you have wigs, but you have no idea how to cut, how to layer it, or even how to curl it? Then this is the video that you should be watching. Stay tuned. So, let me start off by saying that this video is a part 2 to a part 1 of another video. What's this other video, you might ask? Well, let me tell you right now. So, you see this blonde hair right here, this beautiful Pamela Anderson blonde bombshell hair right here, honey? I'm gonna take this hair from blonde to poppin' bombshell blue with just 2 colors. I'm gonna be doing a watercolor. And you know what? I think you should check it out, because if you're uncomfortable with doing watercolor, honey, just follow this technique and you can be a master of watercolor too. Do you own a wig or two that looks beautiful on its own, like when you leave it straight? But some days you feel like putting curls in there, and when you do put curls in there, it seems as if it's lacking a little bit of something, but you don't quite know what that something is. Well, maybe I can help you out with that today. See, when you try to add curls to hair that is unlayered, it doesn't quite look right because the hair would lack body, luster, oomph. It'll lack oomph because it needs to have layers in order for the hair to look bodacious. So, to give you a quick run through of this video, there's gonna be some straightening, and the reason why I'm straightening the hair is because I'm gonna cut it next. I'm gonna layer it next. Reason is, you get a more accurate cut when the hair is straightened. If you are the type of person that is not used to cutting and layering your wigs, well, girl, it's about damn time that changed, okay? Grab a wig block, grab a wig, and start straightening and cutting up some hair, honey, because the only way you're going to get good is to do it. At this point, I'm still straightening the hair because what's coming next is that cut. All right, so I want you to see this hair before it gets layered. I mean, it's cute. It's cute now, it's cute, but that cut could be a little bit more accurate, you know? Because when it's accurate, the curls end up looking much better. All right, real quick. I just want to show you what 16 inches of hair looks like. So I'm 5'2", and 16 inches of hair is actually pretty long. Like, it hits mid-back. So it's pretty long. The next part, which is one of the best parts of this video, is the cut. This, ladies, is how you layer your hair in order for it to have more bounce, more flow, more vitality, more oomph, more chutzpah, more. Okay, just watch the video. The cut that you just saw me do is called a face frame, right? So next up, what I'm going to be doing is actually going into the cut in the back and layering the hair. This is what's going to cause the bounce and the flow and the awesomeness. So just keep watching. So just a quick recap. I started cutting from the back center, and I moved from the back center to the right of the head to the front, and now I'm at the back of the head again, and I'm moving from the back center to the left, and I'm going still with that same guideline that I made in the very beginning. Alright you guys, so to finish up the left, I did the same exact thing that I did on the right. I just kept doing that cut until I got to the front. Now next up, I just gotta clean up these ends And that'll be it for the cut after the ends are cleaned up. And it's not even a cut, it's more like a light trim. Alright, so I'm adding some heat protectant to the hair before I use the curling wand in the hair. Now, don't come for me, okay? Because I should have added this before I even straightened the hair in the first place. Shh, don't tell nobody. But anyway, after the heat protectant, I just added some hairspray. I forgot the brand it is, so I'm not gonna say, but like just regular hairspray is good, because what that's gonna do is just help the curls to last longer. Next up, I'm gonna add some curls in this hair. I am using my Duval curling wand. I must say, I really, truly, madly, deeply love my Duval curling wand. I'm gonna have a link in the description box if you'd like to own one for yourself. I have used curling irons before, you know, to curl my hair, and the results were, to me personally, just okay. I prefer the way the curls comes out when I use a curling wand. I just like the way it looks better, you know? But honestly, that's just personal preference.